Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime for beginners. The things you will be needing are something to mix with. I am using a spatula, a bowl, some eye contact lens solution. You can use borax water, liquid starch, detergent, and more things. You'll also need some glue, and I have some baking soda too. And you'll also be needing a half a teaspoon measuring thing. So let's start by getting our bowl and our glue, and pour in some glue. What we're going to do is we're going to get half a teaspoon of our baking soda. So getting half a teaspoon, pouring it in. The next thing you want to do is you are going to mix it all up. And if you can't find any glue anywhere, I recommend going to Michael's. They stock up a lot of glue. So yeah, so we're just gonna mix it all up. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna get your eye contact lens solution and pour little by little. And you will see that it will start clumping up like this. Don't pour too much eye contact lens solution at a time, or else it will become rubbery, and then usually you would just throw it away. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing it so all of it dissolves in it. And just so you know, I did just use a little bit and see how much it is clumping together. So I'm just gonna add a few more drops and mix it all up. And if you can see, it is clumping together very well. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch it and see if it's sticky. And if it is sticky, still, like mine is, it is okay. You want it to be just a little bit sticky. So once it's all together in one little clump like this, the next thing you want to do is get a little mat or something, or your floor table, whatever you want to do, and get your slime and just start to knead it. It's okay if it's sticky. You want it to be sticky at first. So as you can see, I'm kneading it. And you can use any types of glue. It just has to be PVA glue. If it's not PVA glue, it will not work. So once your slime is done, what you can do is you can decorate it. You can decorate it anything you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose some glitter. So I think I'm gonna choose this light blue glitter. Get my slime and get my glitter. I like to flatten out my slime And then what you do is you pour a little bit of glitter in the middle. And then what I like to do is it feels really cool if you smear the glitter kinda. And then you can just start kneading it again until all the glitter becomes into the slime. You might not be able to see the glitter, but that is okay. I'm sorry, I can't see the glitter. So I think I'm gonna add another glitter. I'm gonna add this really dark purple one also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing. Add some of that in. And then fold it over, stretch it, do whatever you want to do with it, play with it until it's all kneaded all together. And then you are done with your slime. Very pretty. You see sparkles. Not sticky at all. So I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. So I hope you liked it. Bye.